Wait, that's it? 7 grand? The whole kitchen's gone. Cabinets, tile, drywall, everything.
That's what happens when you let your insurance lapse, Chief. Welcome to Forced Insurance, my kingdom.
Your kingdom?
That's right. The bank's the emperor. I just enforce the law. You broke the sacred contract, so now you get the actual cash value, baby. ACV all coverage vanished.
Technically, Jacob's not wrong. Forced insurance is placed by your mortgage company after your policy lapses. It protects their interest, not yours.
So, I don't get replacement cost?
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you think you still lived in America? You get the depreciated value of your soggy cabinets, maybe enough for a folding table and a wet napkin.
In other words, you're only paid for what your old stuff was worth at the time of loss. No recoverable depreciation, no upgrades, no do-overs.
So if I want to rebuild my kitchen right, I gotta pay the rest myself?
Bingo! You're catching on. We don't care if your tile matches, your walls curve, or your dog's depressed. We protect the bank's drywall, not your dignity.
And remember, your check's payable to both you and the lender. So don't spend it all in one approval cycle.
So I basically got insurance for the bank.
Exactly. And congratulations, they're thrilled with your new open concept lifestyle.
Forced insurance, where the bank sleeps well and you cook on a camp stove.
All right, fine. But at least next year I'll just make sure I have insurance, right?
Yes, and make sure it actually covers at least 80% of your home's replacement cost.
Wait, what happens if I don't?
Then we downgrade you to half coverage, full disappointment. You insured for too little. We pay you like it's ACV all over again.
He's right. It's called the 80-20 rule. If you don't insure for at least 80% of what it would cost to rebuild, your policy's RCV benefit disappears and you get paid only depreciated value.
So, even if I have insurance, I can still get treated like I don't.
Welcome to Insurance Math, Chief. You pay for protection, then get graded for effort. And good luck finding a contractor to do this, because you only get lucky if you use a one-stop restoration company. Not our problem.
That's why ACV policies and 80-20 shortfalls both hurt the same way. Less money, more pain, and a lot of confused homeowners. Also, personal property or additional living expense coverage are gone. You have none. And that's why ClaimHelpMe.com is here to help you thought this.